So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit table font on a Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up on your device, what I want you to do is to go to the top here. I'm just going to go ahead and delete this one right here. Press a table and add a table to your presentation. So once that is done, if you were to go ahead, so if you were to press on the thing right here, actually go ahead and press on table. But go ahead and make sure that text here is selected. So if I want to type in text right here, just like this, and you want to sort of change it. So you want to change the font, for example. Go ahead and just tap the table right here. Make sure that text is selected. Go down to where it says font, and then go ahead and change the font. So if you want impact font, you can do that. If you want to change it to phosphate font, whatever the case may be, it is completely up to you in this case to what you want to change it to. So I can go ahead and change it to this one, the script right here, whatever the case may be. That's how you guys can change the font. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to edit table font in Keynote. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.